This morning, I'm going to show you how to make a simple indicator solution out of ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. We've got distilled water, a purple or red cabbage, and then just your stove. So the first thing you do is get your water boiling on the stove. I usually fill it about 1/3 full. Get the stove going, and then I add 2 or 3 leaves of purple cabbage, just enough that it's going to dye your water. You don't want a really dark color, you want kind of a medium pinkish purple color. So while we're bringing our water to a boil, I want to explain to you what an indicator solution is. Simply stated, it's a solution that changes color in the presence of acids or bases. So for the purple cabbage, it has kind of a purplish pinkish color. It can be anywhere ranging from super light pink to clear to a greenish blue color. If you just want to zoom in on here, you can see we've already got quite a bit of color change just from it sitting in the hot water, and we don't want to get it too dark or it'll actually take quite a lot to change color. So let me bring this over so you can see that it's just kind of this purple color. I don't want to go any darker than that, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to strain out my cabbage. I'm going to put it in the sink so it can cool before I give it to my chickens. And if I leave it in the big chunks, then it's just easier to strain out. Take a look at that.
Whoa!
And I'm going to put this, turn my stove off, I'm going to put this in the fridge to cool. And then I will store this, and I can use it for several months if I keep it in the fridge until it starts smelling like rotten eggs. Then it's time to throw it out.